Hi guys, welcome in. Today I am sitting at my kids' soccer practice, so I thought I would film my YouTube video just talking to you guys about the basics of bookkeeping. I think it's a good intro video if you're thinking about getting into bookkeeping so you can see what it looks like and what you'd be doing. So first, bookkeeping is pretty much data entry. So it's basically categorizing financial transactions in 2026. It's all about using software. So bookkeeping is basically taking a business's financial data and putting it into categories so that they can understand how much money they spent, where they spent it, and how much money they made. Okay, it's pretty much the life or death numbers that businesses need to grow and expand. And also it's what businesses need to file taxes, get financing, loans, you name it, businesses need it. It's a great service. And obviously with millions of businesses being built every year, there is tons of room for clients for everybody. So let's go through the really simple bookkeeping process. It really is a 5-step process. So the first thing is you want to have the client on QuickBooks or on some kind of accounting software. I recommend QuickBooks. And the first step is going to be connecting their bank and credit card accounts. Once you connect them, the software brings through all the data. So your step is going to be number 2, which is going into those accounts and putting each individual transaction line by line in a category. So that means their office expenses, their payroll, their meals, travel, all their expenses, go line by line and put them into a category. Now, if you didn't know what the category was, you could just put it in Ask My Client. Then at the end, you can pull an Ask My Client report and send them the transactions you don't know. There's no really mistake you can make inside software and not correct. Categorizing also becomes really straightforward and easy because you have the similar expenses every single month with businesses. So after you've categorized their accounts, the third thing you want to do is reconcile the accounts. So that basically says what we have in QuickBooks matches the bank. Now in 2026, because everything is automated and brought in on its own, you don't necessarily have issues reconciling because everything's brought in automatically. Now, when I started in bookkeeping over 10 years ago, when we were doing a lot of manual data entry, we would sometimes have duplicates and messes and things like that. But thank God for technology, and that is not that way anymore. So after you have their books up to date, your job is to then generate reports inside of QuickBooks. I recommend the profit and loss report at least to be sent monthly, and that shows them at the top how much money they made and then all the expenses underneath it broken down in those categories you selected. And then at the bottom it tells them if they made or lost money, and this is going to help them make decisions about their business. This is going to help them understand if they can expand, where they can expand, where they need to cut back on expenses. It's pretty much the same as if you would take your personal budget and your personal bank and credit card transactions, and if you put it all into categories, you'd know, okay, this is how much money we brought in this month, this is where it all went out, and this is how much we have left over. So it's pretty much the same exact process for businesses, similar expenses month to month, things like that. The biggest thing is the monthly consistency with bookkeeping. Businesses do need this done every single month. Statements come out monthly, and that's generally when people are reviewing books is monthly, and it also keeps them up to date for tax season. So QuickBooks Online, the reason I like it is because it's cloud-based, it's remote, you can work anywhere on your laptop. I was just working on a client sitting in the car before I got on and made this video. It's totally secure. It's all online. You log in and you can manage your clients through QuickBooks Online Accountant, which is what I use. And the best thing is everything's kind of done for you as far as pulling in the transactions. Your main job is going to be, again, that clicking and categorizing and putting things in the right spot. The biggest thing, though, is that the reports are auto-generated. You're not having to customize these reports. You're not having to do anything. They auto-generate them in a way that's easy for clients to understand, and it's broken down specifically for their business, so it's very easy to understand. And this is what's given me that time and income freedom to be a stay-at-home mom the last 10 years, is having clients that pay me every single month to go in their books one time a month, do the categorization, and email them reports. And you can hit 6 figures with just 5 to 10 clients. Some people even go above and beyond and build huge firms. I never imagined that I would have a firm the size that I do now and the amount of clients that I have worked with, but you really can go at your own pace and build it however you want. So if you're interested in bookkeeping, I do have a 3-day free workshop where I'm going to teach you what bookkeeping is. I show you inside the software. I also show you how to get training, certification, and how to get the QuickBooks Online professional version for bookkeepers totally free. And I give you a 30 to 60-day launch plan, so you have a step-by-step guide of how you're going to learn bookkeeping, getting into the training, getting certified, and then starting to build your business. I even show you how I get clients online, because bookkeeping is completely remote. You don't need to get clients in just your local area. You are able to be getting clients everywhere in different locations. So the link's in my bio. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. You can instantly join the workshop. All I need is your email. You can create a login and you can do it at your own pace.